Ever wondered why weenie dogs are basically the funniest sausages on legs? Fact number one, dachshunds were literally bred to fight badgers. Not bark at them, fight them. These tiny hot dogs were like, yeah, I may be 10 inches tall, but I'm built for battle. Badgers didn't stand a chance. Fact number two, they have long backs, short legs, and enough attitude for 5 dogs. Basically, they're the Chihuahua's buff cousin. They strut like they own the sidewalk, and they will judge your outfit from ankle height. Fact number three, they're low to the ground but high in drama. Drop a treat? That weenie dog's gonna do a full Mission Impossible crawl just to get it. Tom Cruise? Please, try being a wiener dog under a couch. So now you love weenie dogs a little more than you meant to, right? Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe or follow, or I'll send a dachshund to dramatically sigh at your door every morning for the rest of your life.